Hello and welcome to Easy Busy channel. Here I am having a very interesting thing to make, that is photo frame from craft paper. You take a craft paper which should be square in shape, fold it from both the sides, bring it to the center of the paper, press it properly, you can see two triangles. Press it properly. Now from all sides we are supposed to do the same thing. Fold it from all sides. Yes. Now turn it. You can see a square and fold it again. Fold it from the corner to the center from all sides. Third side and the remaining side. All the triangles are meeting each other at the center. Turn it again and hold the open flap and just put it inside. Fold the open flap inside. Repeat it for all the sides. It takes a little effort. But what a satisfaction it gives. The photo frame is ready now, and I'm sure you will also feel equally happy like I am feeling. You can put any photograph in it. You can make photo frames of different colors. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.